$300 to $500. The please just turn on build. This is the entry-level PC tier. At this budget, every dollar has a full-time job. There is no money for RGB lights, fancy liquid cooling, or a case that looks like a spaceship. You are usually looking at older parts, used components, or a processor with integrated graphics instead of a dedicated graphics card. But that does not mean the PC is useless. It can handle schoolwork, web browsing, office programs, coding, and lighter games such as Minecraft, Valorant, League of Legends, and older titles. Modern AAA games may run, but you will need low settings, lower resolutions, and possibly a small prayer before pressing play. This tier is perfect for beginners, students, or someone building their first PC. It is not powerful, but it gets the job done without financially destroying you. $700 to $800. The budget gaming build. At around $700 to $800, your PC officially becomes a proper gaming machine. You can finally include a dedicated graphics card, a decent processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an SSD large enough to install more than Windows and one Call of Duty update. This tier is mainly designed for smooth 1080p gaming. Competitive games can run at high frame rates, while most modern games should run well using medium or high settings. You are still making compromises though. The case may be basic, the motherboard may have fewer features, and the power supply probably will not have a small LCD screen showing animated fish. But the actual gaming performance can be excellent for the money. This is one of the best tiers for people who want a strong gaming experience without selling one of their kidneys. $1,000 to $1,500. The sweet spot build. This is where PC building starts getting seriously good. A $1,000 to $1,500 PC can usually deliver excellent 1080 performance and strong 1440p gaming. You can use a powerful modern processor, a capable graphics card, 32 gigabytes of RAM, fast storage, and a motherboard that does not look like it came free with a printer. At this level, most games can be played on high or ultra settings with smooth frame rates. You can also comfortably stream, edit videos, create content, program, and run heavier applications. The biggest advantage of this tier is balance. You are not spending all your money on one powerful graphics card while the rest of the PC begs for help. For most gamers, this is the sweet spot: powerful, upgradable, and not completely unreasonable. $1,700 to $2,000. The high-end build. At this tier, you are no longer asking, can my PC run the game? You are asking, how high can I push the settings before my room becomes a sauna? A $1,700 to $2,000 build is designed for high refresh rate 1440p gaming and can also provide a very strong 4K experience. You can expect a high-end graphics card, a fast gaming processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, premium cooling, and plenty of fast SSD storage. This PC is also excellent for streaming, 3D work, video editing, and other demanding tasks. You will probably have better cable management, quieter fans, and enough RGB lighting to guide aircraft at night. Performance is excellent, but value starts dropping slightly. You are paying more for smaller improvements, premium features, and the ability to move every graphics setting to ultra without thinking. $3,000 to $5,000. The Enthusiast build. Welcome to the Enthusiast tier, where good enough is considered offensive. These PCs are built using some of the fastest consumer parts available. You can expect flagship-level graphics, a top-tier processor, lots of RAM, multiple high-speed SSDs, premium cooling, and a case large enough to qualify as studio accommodation. This build can handle 4K gaming at high frame rates, ray tracing, streaming, professional editing, 3D rendering, AI workloads, and almost anything else you throw at it. But there's an important problem. A $4,000 PC is not 4 times faster than a $1,000 PC. You are paying heavily for the final portion of performance, premium design, silence, and bragging rights. This tier is for enthusiasts, professionals, and people who believe seeing 97% GPU usage is a personal emergency. $5,000 plus? The money is just a number. Build above $5,000. We leave normal PC building and enter financial science fiction. These systems may include workstation processors, professional graphics cards, enormous amounts of RAM, custom water cooling loops, several terabytes of storage, and enough fans to change the weather. For normal gaming, this level is completely unnecessary. Your game will not become emotionally deeper because your computer costs as much as a used car. However, these machines can make sense for professional 3D rendering, advanced simulations, AI development, engineering, film production, or workloads where saving time directly saves money. Some builds are also created purely as showpieces, with custom tubing, themed cases, screens everywhere, and RGB lighting visible from space. This tier is not about value. It is about maximum performance, specialized work, or building the most ridiculous computer humanly possible. And honestly, we respect it.